The CentriPro 4-inch motor is designed and rigorously tested to surpass all industry standards for performance. It features a wealth of competitive advantages, value-added benefits, and strong selling opportunities. The CentriPro motor is manufactured in a state-of-the-art facility using innovative technologies and proprietary manufacturing processes. The process begins when the stator winding is pressed into the motor's 304L stainless steel outer shell. The inner liner is installed into the center of the stator winding. Insulating paper is installed to protect the windings, minimize electrical failure, and facilitate the motor's thermal expansion. The lower end bell, rounded to eliminate interference with the well casing, is pressed into the outer shell. Electrical connections are made to the upper end bell and inner connector. The upper end bell is pressed into the stator shell and provides a nest for each of the surge arresters and the cord entry receptacle. The end bells are one-piece investment cast 304L stainless steel to provide superior corrosion resistance and durability. The motor nameplate is laser etched onto the outer shell. It provides a permanent data matrix with serial number and relevant rating information used to track the motor's exact test results. A thorough electrical test of the stator validates that the motor winding has been manufactured for 100% motor performance and ensures that there are no electrical faults. Laser welding of the end bells to the shell and liner provides an unsurpassed barrier to water entry. Inner liner corrugations are formed, ensuring proper clearances to the rotor. Unique features are formed in the liner, making the motor robust to thermal cycling. Quality is confirmed at the leak decay test stator station. Should one motor fail any test, the entire assembly system will shut down until the problem is resolved. The stator assembly is filled with an epoxy that aids in heat dissipation, adds mechanical strength, and protects the stator windings. The epoxy resin is cured for maximum heat dissipation, mechanical strength, and thermal conductivity. The stator assemblies are CNC machined for increased reliability of the motor's mechanical systems. The stators are thoroughly washed in a high-pressure system to remove any debris, ensuring the integrity of the bearing systems. The upper bearing housing is pressed into the stator assembly using a robust process to ensure accurate bearing alignment. Radial protection is provided by upper and lower carbon sleeve bearings constructed from a specially formulated carbon for greater durability and wear resistance. Upthrust protection is provided by an engineered composite bearing which prevents rotor lift and ensures maximum service life. The solid 17.4 pH stainless steel drive shaft conforms to NEMA standard mounting dimensions and delivers smooth, reliable power. The lower bearing housing and self-leveling Kingsbury type thrust bearing, rated at a full 700 pounds with higher horsepower models rated to 1,500 pounds, are installed. The rotor chamber is filled with a glycol and water mixture, providing lubrication to the bearing and maximum protection against freezing. The diaphragm and lower cover are installed, followed by a 48-inch replaceable UL-listed motor lead. The unique cord entry design enables controlled compression of the wire lead seal fitting, providing a positive seal for all electrical connections. In addition to component inspection at every step of the assembly process, all complete motors are water pressure tested at 250 psi. All electrical circuits are validated for absolute conformance to design criteria by inline high potential and Megger test equipment. The motor is berthed, eliminating any air pockets and ensuring the motor chamber is completely filled with lubricating fluid. All the upper end hardware is installed, using specially designed components to keep dirt, sand, and other debris from getting inside the bearing systems. The sand slinger system has been extensively tested and proven to prevent sand entry even under the most severe conditions, providing reliable protection to all internal motor components. Complete dynamometer and thrust tests are performed to provide 100% assurance that every CentriPro motor hits the mark every time, electrically and mechanically. In addition, sampling of motors that have passed every test or units that have been in operation are dissected and put through a battery of tests, measurements, and vigorously reviewed in our lab to ensure continuous quality and reliability. Only after we are 100% certain that each motor will perform according to our rigid expectations is the CentriPro motor shipped to the Goulds Pumps factory. assembled together, tested together, and installed together. Gould's pumps and CentriPro motors, an unbeatable combination.